Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest technology and innovative ideas to help you make the most of your life. In today's video, we'll be discussing how you can make money using AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, is revolutionizing the world in every field. The technology has transformed the way businesses operate and is proving to be a game changer for individuals looking to make money. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Identify your niche. The first step to making money with AI is to identify your niche. It is essential to have a clear understanding of the area in which you want to specialize. Some of the popular niches include data analysis, chatbots, speech recognition, and image processing. Step 2. Acquire the necessary skills. The next step is to acquire the necessary skills. You will need to learn programming languages such as Python, R, and SQL to work with AI. There are many free resources available online, including courses, tutorials, and blogs, to help you learn these skills. Step 3. Build your portfolio. Building a portfolio is critical to demonstrating your skills and expertise in AI. You can start by working on small projects and showcasing your work on platforms like GitHub. This will help you establish your credibility and attract potential clients. Step 4. Freelancing. Freelancing is an excellent way to make money using AI. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a wide range of AI-related jobs. You can choose projects that align with your skills and experience and bid for them. Step 5. Creating AI-based products. Another way to make money with AI is by creating AI-based products. You can create chatbots, voice assistants, and image processing tools that businesses can use to improve their operations. You can sell these products through online marketplaces or your website. Step 6. Consulting. If you have expertise in AI, you can offer consulting services to businesses. You can help them identify areas where AI can be used to improve their operations, develop AI-based solutions, and provide training to their employees. So there you have it, 6 ways to make money using AI. With the growing demand for AI-related services, there are plenty of opportunities to make a living in this field. Remember to keep learning and stay updated with the latest developments in AI to stay ahead of the game. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching.